Good afternoon. This is a presentation on Organizational and Personal HR Development Plan by Jeremiah Akin. So the introduction, synopsis development. Building a successful organizational and personal development plan starts with targeting valued employees and retaining those employees who are high performers. Specified training. Through targeted training and recruitment, organizations can ensure that they're receiving the most qualified candidates and that they are retaining those candidates for extended periods of time. Plan proposals. Increased, increase employees' skills and knowledge so they can help create opportunities for job advancement. Christian values. Christian values can create a unique way to grow and develop employees within an organization. Christian values also bring greater trust and enhanced engagement with organizational decisions. Recommendations, creating a structured approach to set goals for growth and development. Implementation, understanding the organizational needs and having the steps in place to achieve those goals. Synopsis development. Acquiring human capital. Organizations should be able to attract potential candidates through job descriptions, compensation, and benefits packages. This type of compensation will attract specific candidates for positions which will help with the recruitment. Developing human capital. Through certain training and job aid tools, employees should be able to enhance their knowledge and build specific job skills. Training human capital. Training programs should be targeted to specific areas where there may be skill gaps and needs for certain organizational objectives. Organizations should train their employees to be proficient in required areas. Leveraging human capital. Organizations should create a place where employees can utilize their skills and knowledge to their fullest potential. Employees' engagement can lead to better productivity and organizational performance. Here's a diagram that shows the training and development along with career development creates organizational commitment, which will overall brings us work performance. Some of the synopsis pros and cons. Some of the pros are diverse talent pools, culture of continuous learning, increased job satisfaction, better organizational performance. Some of the cons, risk of cultural mismatches, significant time and investment, employees may leave after training, time consuming and costly. Acquiring, developing, training, and leveraging human capital has many pros and cons. Most of the pros outweigh the cons. Acquiring talent for organizations helps build and define the current and future organizational needs. However, there may be some potential hurdles that need to be overcome to achieve successful organizational growth and development. The specific costs and benefits of each stage can determine how to maximize growth and prevent challenges in the future. Specific training and development can help organizations adapt, compete, and excel to improve their service and reach their intended goals. Leveraging diversity. Improved innovation and creativity. Diverse teams can bring gained experience and different perspectives that allow for more creative solutions. Better decision making. Diverse groups have been shown to consider a wider range of options when making decisions. Additionally, diverse perspectives lead to more effective decision making processes. The positive impact on financial performance. Through diversity, organizations can access a better understanding of diverse customer needs, which improves innovation and fulfills customer needs. Potential challenges. Leadership must be aware of potential conflicts and communication breakdowns, ensuring that all biases and inequalities are addressed and handled as soon as the problems arise. Developing and integrating integration of positions. Communication and collaboration. Through open communication between HR professionals and other departments, organizations can collaborate and overcome challenges and create opportunities. Performance metric evaluation. Evaluate the effectiveness of performance metrics through feedback and data collection. This will help the effectiveness of each HR role and contributions. The organizational development. HR roles should be designed to contribute to a broader organizational structure. Some of these development initiatives include talent management, culture building, and change management. Leveraging technology. Digital tools help streamline tasks and collect data to promote HR technology. Digital tools can help also enable HR professionals to free up their time and focus on strategic initiatives and specific activities. Christian worldviews. HR specialists. An HR specialist must ensure fair hiring practices, creating a positive work environment through Christian values based on biblical principles. HR leadership. HR leaders must lead with integrity and commit to servant leadership. This will help build trust among employees. An HR consultant. Consultation aligns HR practices with Christian values to help make ethical decisions and create a workplace that reflects God's love and grace. HR of one. An HR of one, such as a minister, can influence and build positive, supportive work environments. Employees will begin to feel empowered and valued through acceptance. Leading recommendations. Human talent. Conduct Conduct thorough assessments to identify skill gaps and evaluate organizational goals and requirements. Training programs can address these deficiencies. Technology. Implementation of technology that aligns with organizational planning, investing in AI-powered tools to help financial collaboration. Again, provide training to help employees utilize this new technology. Knowledge management. Create systems that can capture and store data that can be shared throughout the organization. Knowledge management should be recognized and rewarded by organizational leaders to maximize its impact. Succession planning. Create a succession plan that has a progression beyond the foreseeable future. Develop employees' skills and assign additional responsibilities to keep them engaged and motivated. Leaders should aim to build a pipeline of talented employees to be ready to take over when retirement and staff exits occur. Gain knowledge. Build a pipeline. Building a pipeline of talent within the organization. Put the right individuals in the positions that matter most. Build a high-performing team and develop talent to support the organization. Collaboration. Collaborate with others to enhance employee engagement. Modernize the workplace to enhance employee engagement. Manage diversity. Increase diversity and inclusion to build a solid foundation of transparency and trust. Create a sense of belonging to all staff. And then overcoming challenges. Minimize distraction or workplace nuisances. Employees who are not meeting organizational culture standards should be trained to help bring them up to speed and make them more effective. Personal development plan. Self-assessment. Identify strengths and weaknesses within the HR field. Utilize past experiences and performance reviews to identify areas for improvement. Setting goals. Create SMART goals to achieve organizational needs and career aspirations. Skill and knowledge development. Create knowledge through formal training such as workshops, certification programs. Establish mentorships to enable employees to seek guidance from HR professionals. Connect with other HR teams to share experiences and insight. Stay updated on new technology trends and practices. Progress tracking and evaluation. Monitor progress through specific goals and estimated timelines. Use specific metrics to track this progress. Create a space for feedback so leaders and employees can develop plans to address workplace deficiencies. In conclusion, develop a plan. Creating an organizational and personal development plan has to be focused on getting top talent and keeping talent satisfied with growth and performance. Create training through specialized training that uses SMART goals, personal development, diversity, technology, and leveraging performance. An organization can build a team that will outperform and overcome challenges better than most organizations. Implement action. Implementing these actions by tracking and evaluating performance can help monitor progress and overcome challenges. Diversity and inclusion play a key role in enhancing employee engagement. And last, continue to learn and adapt. Organizations must continually adapt to changes and new technology. Personal development and is an ongoing process. The quicker an organization adapts and learns from its mistakes, the more achievable the goals will be. And last, here are the references. And that is all. Have a good day.